This video shows you how to create automation connections in Qlik Cloud. To create an automation connection, go to the Create page and select Automation Connection. Search for one of the available connectors. In this case, we'll select Microsoft OneDrive. Next, select the space in which you want to create the connection. By selecting a space, you're granting access to this connection for all users who belong to that space. When ready, click Create. This will open the Microsoft Authentication window. Once authenticated, the connection is created and will appear in the Automations section. Select the Connections tab to view the available connections. Now let's create a new automation inside the space where we added the automation connection. Add a Microsoft OneDrive block to the automation. In the Connection tab, you'll see the connection you previously created. This connection is available to all users in that space. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.